Chapter 2 is all about working out, how to actually work out. Working out is a synergistic thing. It is not just about smashing a gym workout and then eat whatever you want or countering whatever you've eaten to equal the body what you think you should have. It just doesn't work like that. I've tried and tested it. A lot of clients do it and then be like, why do I not see any results? Because it's a synergy. You need to have your diet and your nutrition. You need to have your diet, nutrition, your mindset, and your training all in line, as well as your recovery. I've said 5 things, even though it's technically 4. So let me just quickly reiterate what I mean. So nutrition, training, mindset, and recovery. Those are the 4 pillars of health, what you need to follow, which will actually work as a synergy together for you to have successful workouts. Because if you think about it, if you are not eating right, you're not going to have enough fuel to actually train hard and to recover. If you are not in a good headspace, you're not going to think much about yourself and you're not going to put in the effort what you need. And then on top of that, if you're not training hard enough, are you actually going to challenge the muscles? And then on top of that as well, if you're not recovering and letting your body relax and heal up and then reform the new muscles built, how are you going to actually make progress? How are you going to see weights change? How are you going to be able to run further? How are you going to be able to lift more? How are you going to see different shapes of your body?